Thanks for stopping by our channel. We are TeachEngineering. Our goal is to provide fun, free curriculum for K-12 teachers to make STEM concepts available to all students. In the summer of 2017, we kickstarted our video project with the hopes that we could make engineering curriculum more accessible to teachers and less intimidating to students. We produce videos that support the curriculum in our digital library. The video process starts with an engineering connection and a design challenge. We purchase inexpensive materials, then we brainstorm, plan, and design. We sometimes fail. But we learn from our mistakes and try again. Through this design process, we bring engineering to life, and hope you will too. Subscribe to our channel today for new hands-on engineering design videos each week.